Your brain, body, heart, and soul are telling you this is good. So find what that is, set your timer, do it twice a day, 30 to 60 seconds. Breathing is a great thing to do. Breathe in deeply through your nostrils, out through your mouth 3 times. It takes 30 seconds. That resets the nervous system. So again, you're double dipping. You're sending the message to your brain body that self-care exists. Self-care is real, which changes everything. And it's helping your physical health by resetting your autonomic nervous system into a parasympathetic response. It immediately takes away anxiety because anxiety can't live there. It immediately opens your heart, relaxes your adrenal glands, releases your gut. Go ahead and do it right now and notice how your gut, because we hold our pelvis, we hold our stomach muscles tight, which increases all of these stomach issues and inflammatory issues. So go ahead and just take a moment. Breathe in, hold it, out. Notice the stomach relaxed, the pelvis relaxed. Just for a second there, things got better. These are the things that we're going to start with today. I thank you for coming and joining me on the planet of care. Let's create that planet of care first within the system, within ourselves. Let's kick out Mr. Rat, get off the rat race as best as we can, even if it's a minute every day. And just stay with me now. We're going to do a simple little exercise, an awareness activation exercise to keep that stomach muscle relaxed, keep the adrenals quiet, and implant the message of self-care into your midbrain, into your limbic system, where it will take hold and start creating more and more of that. Okay. Deep breath. And out. Now we've already done that if you've noticed that when the digital energy, the transmission comes through my voice and through these waves on the internet, you're already going to feel a shift in your brain. So find that spot in your brain, in your heart, in your stomach that you've already felt the work happening. Because that is part of what I get to do. I get to keep working on you through the conversation. There you go. Find that space. There you go. All of you. Most of you have it. Okay. Go there. And put a blue light there. Feel that blue light coming through my voice, through my heart to yours. And notice how soothing that blue light is. Now just expand that light, because we've already implanted self-care into you today. You've received it, you've wanted it, you've accepted it. It's yours. It was already in you. We were all born with this. It's a divine gift that we're all born with. And put that blue light right there. And in this moment, you are in that sacred space. You're in the walking and talking sacred space. In the core of the circle of life within you. But only through the caring of self, caring of the divinity, the claiming of the worth within you. Health, vitality, joy. Feel that blue, warm and wonderful. As it moves from that spot or spots, some of you have more than one. Let it move through your whole body. And feel the top of your head open. And feel that connection. When you have time, do this exercise, listen to it, memorize it, learn it. Do this whenever you can. We're changing the cells, creating new. And I invite you to hang out here for a moment with your crown open and the blue light resonating within and without, throughout you. Keep your crown open, your heart open, and just listen for what's next. You will be guided, we always are. Walk sacred. Till next time.